Just pull in there anywhere. Roadside stealth number 4. Mrs. has just dropped me off, so we're heading over in here. Big massive backpack strapped to me. Holding the tripod of a camera and light on top of it. Nothing suspicious going on here. This fence being down here concerns me. It would make me think that people come in here. Considering this, it is a bit of a slope. It is a wee bit slope, but decisions. Yeah, this'll do. DFR, that's what we say. Do friggin' rightly. Okay. Hopefully what will happen is I have put a bit of an angle on it. Hopefully it'll pour down that way. We're going to put our tent somewhere. I'm just thinking maybe I'm better higher on this side and lower on this side, put the tent there. Anyway, we're getting wet, let's get in underneath. I'm going to hold off just for a minute before I put the tent up, just to see if this rain stops, and I'll go adventure a bit further and see what any better spots. But for now, we're not alone on this stealth, because we have brung the Commissioner. And the Commissioner keeps us warm and he keeps us safe. Never go stealth camping without the Commissioner. God knows when the last time this thing was cleaned. The land of my shed this week with shot glass. Toughen us up. Cheers, folks. Woo! Ooh, yeah. That's the dogs. Right. Want a bit of a look around? Of course you do. So, I've made a little, I went to the pound shop and bought an umbrella, and I've taped it to my tripod just so I can get further away shots and keep the camera dry for now. And I also bought this from the pound shop just until I get my, what do you call that thing goes through your tent? Is it the ground sheet? That thing anyway. We're just sitting under our Andy's tarp. There's my stuff ready to go. Sure you couldn't beat this with a big stick. Now the road is just along there, and there's one just there. That rain's on for the night, you know. This could be one of those torrential rain videos, because I am on the bottom of the slope here. You know, it's going uphill here. As long as I can get the tent up before it gets dark, so I don't have to use this lamp and give my position away. But I suppose while we're doing that, I'll show you what I've got to consume on this trip. Alright, so for refreshments, we have 2 tins of Harp, tin of Carlsberg, and of course the Commissioner. I just grabbed this while I was in Poundland when I was getting the umbrella. Just thought it'd be handy to have. It's just a little chicken wrap. But what I had planned to make was these mugshot things again that I brought on Roadside Stealth number 3, but never got round to it. And I was going to plan on chopping up some pepperonis, the hot ones, and mixing it through. And then we have, just for snacking on, we've got some dry roast peanuts. I had that bar in my bag already, so you see a bar and a dairy milk. And then breakfast, a couple of lattes, and like cereal bars. Simple but effective. Now, the next issue is this. See this? Need to get this sorted out. Just if this rain would stop for 5 bloody minutes, I'd be able to do something here with this harp. At the minute I have to keep doing this. Hopefully that'll do. I'll bring these round the other side so you can see. Well, we've got her up, but I'm going to be honest, it did take a lot longer than I thought it would. But hopefully over time I'll get quicker at it. I was in work yesterday and it was a great day. The sun was shining, there's no wind, perfect for it. Out for a run this morning actually, and it was half decent. Come the time I'm ready to get set up and go, the sky just turns pure grey, just pure grey. But anyway, I'll give you a look of the setup. So we're in the LANSHAN 1 and we're just rocking the old setup that we always rock. The foil, what do you call them? Little foam foil thing anyway. Our OEX transverse self-inflating mat because the other one failed on us. And we've got 2 sleeping bags of us and a pillow from the pound shop. And that's it, that's it. Keep that shut to keep the bugs out. So I'm glad I brought this tarp now because at least now we've got somewhere to like sit. Be able to sit in the tent. And I'm going to do a live stream later on, so I'll be able to just sit here, look towards my camera here and do my live stream. Cheers once again, folks. Let's try this wrap. So it's a honey chili chicken thing. We got it from the pound shop. Obviously I was in buying the umbrella and I thought, we'll get this as backup. We'll eat this, you know, give us the energy to keep vlogging until we get her. There's the paranoia starting to kick in. see on the camera. I'll watch behind me. Not bad for £1.25. Only brung 3 tins of beer. I should brung more. I think I'll try and in a up and coming video hang this with using the little hook thing on top and not bother bringing the pole to see if I can go really lightweight. We're digging into the ground here. A big fat ass. There is something very nice about listening to the pitter patter of the rain, isn't there? It is awesome. We'll have a couple of commissioners, a couple of tins. I have some movies on the phone. See the water dripping off this tarp. Sounds like footsteps, just really put my head away. But let's get the grip on the go anyway. We're not doing anything wrong really, are we? Have water in that first. I think what I'm going to do, I want to keep this pot clean. How long does it take? Fill your water. 5 minutes. I'm going to fire these into this microwave bag. Add the boiling water. I forget how much these were now. If you go back to Roadside Stealth number 3, I'll tell you how much they were. I know they're a hell of a lot cheaper than the chamomile. That one there is pasta roast chicken. Something like that. Microwave bag. Microwave. Here, Baby cooker is brilliant. That's boiled, that water's boiled already. Compared to the little stove that works in the methylated spirits, it took forever to boil water. The water's boiled and all. So, I need to make the decision to mix the two and have one big massive meal. Now we'll have one. I'll just have the one, I think. Just try it. It's boiled and all. I have 2 microwave bags anyway, so I can do this. I'm just thinking there. Yeah, so I can do it in 2 portions. Let's see what's going on. I didn't measure out. I just winged it. It's maybe too much. Yeah, looks too much. Anyway, we'll just let that sit. Let that sit there and do its thing. Now, I wonder should, while this is soaking up the water, I really think I wrecked that one, put too much water up in it. I think, should I brave it to give these a look? Because you can hear how heavy it is there. I wonder should I just brave it. Let's go on down here a wee bit and see what more we can see. Not much. These little, I love these little gems, these little urban roadside stealths, because these little bits of land, you know. Now some of them people do go into, but the majority of them people don't. So you get them to yourself, and they're relatively garbage or rubbish, depending on what part of the world you're from, free. we'll do a quick loop. There's what do you call them? Primroses? Primroses out. And there's a possible another roadside stuff over that side. But I'm happy for once I used my initiative and brung the tarp because I would have been screwed. And I'm glad I went and got this umbrella because it makes this little bit of extra content here, this little bit of walkabout vlog in here possible. Otherwise it would just been us sitting at the tent. I just see something here, I just want to see what it is. Oh, I spoke too soon about people not being in here. What is this? I thought it was some sort of like thing for like a wee campfire thing, but it's not. It's a bit of metal, it's a bit of a lamppost cut out of it. A bit random. Go a little bit further and we'll turn and go back. Definitely used too much water. Definitely. Good job I only put one in to try it, because if this doesn't work out, I'll just make the other one and I'll boil it properly in the way it wants you to do. But I've definitely used too much water. Or as dear Phillips would say, water, water, water. He says water funny. Has that been 5 minutes? I'll get on. Take a sip. Movie on. Some good food. Well, good, maybe pushing it. Food. Let's get a bit of soup, pepperoni and pasta in one go. Duck down my top. Tell you what, for a cheap little meal, nothing wrong with that. That's tasty. So we're just chilling in the tent now. I'm going to eat some nuts and chocolate. I've only got a couple of, I haven't got much alcohol, really, to say that I have put on a couple of beers, so I'm waiting later on before I have any more. I'll have a couple of them in the live stream. But this is one of the reasons why I wanted this tent as well, because it has this little vestibule here I can put my stuff in for night time. I can put my boots and my bag in there and shut that up. And also I can lie in here and open this door and leave the mesh shut so the bugs don't get me, and then just sit and look out into the woods or across the green pastures or wherever you are. I just thought that'd be class. And the tarp is a good addition as well for days like this. I can sit and watch the rain now. I think it's nightfall around 8:30 or something now, is it? I could be wrong, but it's around that sort of time anyway. So I think we'll wait till 8:30, 9, and then we're going to do a live stream. See you soon. I'm on a bit more of a slope than I thought I was. The thing, the matters just keeps sliding down, as you can see there. Look, I've slid right down into the corner again. I keep pulling them up. That is going to be a bit of a pain in the arse, you know, through the night. I'm going to try and sleep maybe from this corner here to this corner. That's all I'm going to do, because I can't be arsed. Can't be arsed moving now. I really can't. I would say in about another half an hour it'll be pitch black, and we're going to do a live stream. Home sweet home. Look at these little friggers here. Have I seen all these little skitters? I definitely wouldn't have camped this close to this. Look, they're all falling off whenever I record them there. Ah! Ah! As long as I keep their stinky little butts over there away from my tent. Oh! Oh! Right, let's get back in. Watching this guy. You probably can't see him there because you're shining. There's there. Ronnie Chang or something. Funny. So, it's 10:30 now. I'll finish this bottle of whiskey off and I'll watch some more Netflix. We'll probably say I'll see you in the morning. No, but you know, I'll probably bring you back. We'll just see how we go. Oh, just nailed that guy there. Sorry, mate. Okay, folks, it's 12:20. I'm a good couple of commissioners down. I'm tired. The rain is back on. So, this is definitely good night. Unless something happens where I need to inform you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It is 10 to 6. Let's get a look outside. A bit of a gorillas in a mist thing going on out there. Right, I suppose we'll get up and start to pull this camp down. Sure, this is the life. Waking up in a little base camp like this, in the middle of a little roadside woodland. Sure, life simply doesn't get any better. It's the simple things, folks. The simple things. And just to strengthen it, I'll put an extra sachet of coffee in. That little tarp I bought from Poundland, it's just a perfect size for a footprint for the LANSHAN one. £1, hard to beat value like that. Can't beat value like that. For the people that were asking last night about the seat on the live stream, that folds up to the size of my hand. It's a great little seat. Get them on eBay. Put the name there. If you want to look them up on eBay. And maybe that's better. They're a great job. Small, compact, light, and they have the broad base. Stop you sinking into the soil. packed up. 8 o'clock, half an hour to get a thumbnail before the missus gets here. As you can see, we're all packed up. We never knew we were there, other than some flattened down ground. Get my stretches done before I lift this massive weight. And what is this? I never noticed this last night. There's like a gate thing there too. We'll definitely have to keep adding to the bloopers. You stop moving for too long and you get absolutely eaten by midges. And something's bit me below my watch. It's itching below my watch. And a monstrous spider just dropped from my, I forgot to say to you, dropped from the tarp and right into my bag. I was just packing it up and right down into one of my sleeping bags. I tried to get it out, but it just was right in the bottom of the bag, so I have to scrape his guts up later on because it'll be all squished into my sleeping bag now because I pressed everything down. I'm not scared of spiders. Spiders don't bother me. It's just more its guts, and it'll make a little mess in my sleeping bag in it. But my lift isn't here yet. So my lift is going to pick me up on this lay-by here. There we go. That's what's right. Try and get across this busy road now. He knew what I was up to. Okay, so that is Roadside Stealth number 4 in the bag. Thanks for watching. I was hoping this morning, sometimes in this lay-by you get like burger carts and stuff like that there. You get a filled soda. I will see you on the next one. So thanks very much for watching once again. Like the video and subscribe. See you later, folks, and keep your stealth.